everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. Just arrived in Kanchanaburi to come and have a look at a few of the tourist spots, and staying here at the Kanchanaburi Kwai Hotel. Never been here before, so I'll invite you to join us, and we'll have a little walk around. So if you happen to be in the area, maybe a place that you'd consider staying. So with that, let's get on with the video and start walking around. So we're going to start our walk here on the second floor of the River Kwai Hotel, and the reason I've done that is it's very close to my room. I needed a spare battery, but it's an ideal walking route that I can go on this rooftop gardens, go along this walkway, down the other side, go around the swimming pool, back into the restaurant and to the main reception area, and then show you what's outside at the front of the hotel, and then later go into reception, and I'll give you a quick look at our room. So all in all, this weekend is going to be quite busy. I've got quite a few things planned to go and have a look at here in Kanchanaburi. One of them being a redundant paper mill, which is not open to the public, but I believe has got a lot of open windows, so I'm hoping to use the Insta 363 and get some video via the windows, so we'll see how that one goes. In addition to that, they've also got the relatively new skywalk, which has just been snagged at the moment for completion. I'm hoping to have a walk around there, and one of the things I've never videoed, although I've been across many times, is the bridge over the River Kwai. So hopefully I'll get some video footage of that for subscribers. So here, the first part of our little walk here, it does have a small fitness room. It has the basics of equipment that you might need for your morning exercise. Nothing exceptional, but adequate for anybody's stay for 1 or 2 days. And we can get down this solid kind of wooden walkway to the swimming pool area, so we'll have a walk around there and show you the size and what's available here. Quite a few sun lounges outside around the pool that you can use at your leisure if you happen to be staying here. And for people that are coming in from outside, there is a couple of function rooms upstairs that I presume would be available for rent. Quite a reasonable sized swimming pool. We had quite a bit of rain overnight, so the water is a little bit cloudy because it's waiting to be cleaned. As with all swimming pools in Thailand, when you get quite a lot of rainfall, the swimming pool is the first thing that goes to be cloudy, and you have to keep on top of the maintenance to keep the water really clean. Nice table and chairs there in the corner by the towel reception place. You can sit and get some shade if you wish to do so, and maybe eat a snack or have something to drink there. So this area by the towel reception place is a very quiet area. I haven't seen anybody swimming in the pool, but having said that, it is rather early in the morning, so I doubt if people are up and about yet. That's a Kwai Noi room. I presume that is one that members of the public can rent out for various functions. and a small nondescript little garden at the back. Nothing to write home about, but nevertheless it's still there. I found the staff here to be very friendly and helpful when we checked in. So here from the swimming pool we can have a walk through the dining area, breakfast room, and make our way towards reception. Obviously no food at the moment. I will hopefully try and get you some video footage of breakfast tomorrow morning, but we're leaving quite early, so that might not be possible, so please bear with me, guys. Really nice reception hall and waiting area with a few little souvenir shops, and you can obviously see that the hotel now is under some renovation, and the bottom area around the front desk is in quite pristine condition, and I believe that later on they're working towards doing the rooms floor by floor. Lots of awards there posted on the wall that the hotel has previously won in the past. It has been going for quite some years and had a very good reputation within Kanchanaburi. Now the hotel's getting a little bit outdated, but please be rest assured that the rooms are very clean and tidy. The staff are excellent, they'll attend to all your needs. And for the price that you pay, I think it's very good value. For me, guys, all I need is a nice clean bed, air conditioning and hot water. I don't go to look at the decor of the rooms. For me, if they're a little bit outdated, that's part and parcel of the travel experience. If you want a more upmarket place where you want to spend 2,000 or 3,000 baht for a night, there is many readily available in Kanchanaburi. Apparently the hotel was quite full last night. There are quite a lot of people staying here, and quite a few people still waiting to leave the hotel. So as you can see in this area by the front desk, they've done an excellent job of renovating the area, and it really looks very warm and inviting, and you can't fault the place, to be honest. I don't know why it is, but when you get large groups of people, they have to shout to each other. It seems a little bit difficult for them to have a normal conversation in a normal tone voice. There seems to be a scream at you and a scream at me. This group looks to be a party of Indian citizens, obviously taking the tours around Kanchanaburi. So we'll go out and have a look at the front of the hotel. I'll let you have a look at the facade. Just straight across there with the blue and the red signage. The River Kwai Hotel does have its own kind of bar and small nightclub, but again at the moment it's under renovation, so we can't get in to have a look at it. But this is the frontage that you'd see from the main road if you decide to stay here. Ample car park, and it does extend all the way around the hotel, so you're not going to get stuck for parking any vehicle that you might bring with you, whether it be a van or a car or a truck or a motorbike. Looks like our large party of Indian citizens are about to leave and go on their travels for the day. And this is the entrance to the GZ night bar and club, I believe. But as I said, it's under renovation, it's not open, so we're unable to use it. Hopefully when I come next time it'll be available to guests. So with the walk of the outside completed, we'll start heading in towards the reception, and I'll let you have a quick look at the style of room that we have. This is where we started our walk, here on the second floor, out through the doors there and into the garden. All floors kept immaculately clean by the housekeeping staff. So this is the room that we have, 229. Just staying here for one night before we move on. Quite a large size room. Nothing spectacular by any means. Does need a bit of loving care and attention in places, but I'm quite happy to stay here, and for what I'm paying I'm more than happy. It has a bath and a shower, and I tried the water this morning. It's exceptionally hot, so quite looking forward to maybe having a bath tonight as a change. So with that, guys, that virtually completes our tour of the River Kwai Hotel and our small room. It has everything you need: air condition, refrigerator. You can ask them for a kettle from reception should you need one, and just a view over the back of the hotel, which is not exceptional. But for me, guys, reasonable price place to stay, very clean and tidy and helpful staff. So with that, thank you very much for watching the video, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next one. So take care of yourselves, my friends. Bye bye.